Today's announcement about vaccine eligibility still left out a group of essential workers, restaurant employees. Industry leaders say restaurants have been repeatedly deemed as unsafe, but the state still has not prioritized workers in the vaccine rollout. News 8's Whitney Burney joins us now in studio with a message that restaurants have for state leaders. Whitney.
Brian, restaurants I spoke with today say even with the restrictions currently in place, they can see hundreds of patrons in a day. They say they're doing everything that they can to keep customers and workers safe, but think vaccines will give everyone more peace of mind. Michigan restaurants are preparing to up their capacity limits to 50% this Friday.
We are able to bring people back to work, get them reemployed, serve our community. From that standpoint, it's good, but now we need to keep progressing so the business can make some money.
But workers are still left in the dark when it comes to vaccines.
We interact with people, obviously, and some of the restaurants are smaller, so obviously it's very hard to keep the social distancing. It is scary.
Chef Oscar Moreno at Mexo in downtown Grand Rapids says his staff is doing everything they can to remain safe, but a vaccine would be a great way to give workers added protection.
We waiting patiently and taking all the measurements that is on our hands.
The state is currently in phase 1B, which includes agriculture and food processing workers and, quote, other essential frontline workers. There's also a space carved out in phase 1C for remaining essential workers. Although labeled essential at the beginning of the COVID-19 outbreak, there's no explicit guidance for those who work in restaurants. The state saying they're likely months out. Jeff Lobdell with the Rockwell Republic says he wants his staff to be considered 1B.
I am very surprised that we have not been classified that way, as many states around us have been.
He says the vaccines would not only protect them, but ease concerns of customers.
It's important to us that we regain trust in our industry and the hospitality. We think restaurants are some of the cleanest, safest places in the community, but having the public know that our workers are vaccinated will even gain more trust.
Restaurant owners say while they wait for word on vaccines, they will continue with the measures they already have in place, screening customers, social distancing, wearing masks, and of course, that heightened sanitization.